Hey guys, I hope all is well. In this video, I'll be showing you a game system that I got from Amazon. I first actually seen it, well, actually not me. My husband seen it on TikTok, and he know that I love playing different games and different stuff like that. So this is actually a game stick. This is what came in the box. Let me open the box for you. Okay, so this little piece right here, guys, that is the actual game stick itself. They put it in plastic, wrapped it up really, really nice. I am showing it to you. This is how it looks. And again, it is called a game stick. And the good thing about it, guys, I got it actually for 50% off than what it was. This is the actual little thing that you use for the to make the wireless controllers work. These are the controllers. They come with two, which is so cool because most of the time, it only come with one. So me and my hubby was playing it as well, so it was really fun. They are made like the PlayStation controllers. I kind of wish they was made like back in the day, Nintendo controllers, because I kind of liked it that better. But to be honest with you, I liked it. It was okay. It felt good. It was not heavy or anything. One thing that I can truly say that I liked about it is the fact that I did not have to have cords. So you do have to have batteries. It takes two AA batteries for both. So you'll be needing four grand total AA batteries. Thank God I just purchased some. To me, I always make sure if I go somewhere, I always pick up AA batteries and AAA, especially with it storming so much. You always want to have those on hand. But here we go, guys. This is the cord, another cord that it came with. You'll be plugging that to the back of the TV. So here is the cord, and here is the actual cord to the actual unit. And them instructions, when I say them were the worst, you might as well just go ahead and just throw that in the trash. Like, it was the worst, the worst. But you got you some instructions. The thing that I really like that it shows you how to be able to put the batteries in. Again, you'll be using AAA too. This is the game port. This is everything that comes inside of the box. You got the game port. You got the cords. This is the box right here that it came in. It's a light 2.45 wireless. Love the fact that it's wireless. Like when I say, guys, wireless is the best. I didn't even realize I needed wireless until I got it. Again, here is the battery, where the batteries go. You'll be using two AAA. Okay, two AAA. And you'll be putting it right back there, and you'll be putting it on both of the controllers right there. You can use any brand that you want. I just have the Kodak brand, but you can be able to use whatever you want as long as they AAA. And again, the controllers show you how to be able to put them in there. And then once you put it in there, you see how that light comes on and let you know that it is on. And do it to the second one too, because you got to put batteries again in the second one. There is a on and off switch on there. You will see it, but okay. There we go. We got the AAA batteries. I will be putting it inside of the second one. And it's working properly because there go the lights, which I said I love the fact that the lights came on. You know that it is on, because some of those products, you have no clue if it's on, if it's off, what's going on with it. And it's very lightweight too. Very lightweight. Here is the controllers. And the wireless feature is the best. And like I said, that instruction book is the worst. So go ahead and just throw her on out in the trash. Okay, now I'm just showing you again, guys, what was inside of the box, just to make sure you know what's in there. Okay, and I'm about to show you how to be able to do it. So just go this here. That's for the controllers. And then you take this little piece right here, stick it in here, and then this goes inside of here. Even if you don't feel like it goes in there, just press it in there. And again, like I said, make sure the controller has batteries in it, okay? And make sure you turn on the controller right here. See, off, there, and on. And you can tell when the lights come on. Off and on. So make sure you got your batteries and everything inside there. Now let's plug it up to the HDMI, to the back of the TV. And one tip I want to tell you guys, you're going to need an extension cord, surge protector, something like that. And you're also going to need one of these. You're going to need one of these to be able to plug up your actual connector. Okay, so you can be able to plug up the actual unit. Okay. Got to plug up the actual unit itself. So you need one of these. And then you need an extension cord to be able to plug into the wall. Okay. Okay, now put this in the back of the TV. Right back there. You see that? Put it right back there. HDMI. Okay, stick it right there. See that? Right in the TV. Okay, now this is when this come to play. Plug this inside your surge protector. And I told you it's got to be long, so make sure you got a surge protector. See, there we go. Now we got everything plugged. This, to the wall, to the TV, and the HDMI cord. Okay, there we go. Sure your controllers are on. Okay guys, so what I did was put it inside of the HDMI. You got to put it on your menu. Like, let me show you. You got to make sure you got it in the right output too. Make sure everything is on. Oops, look at me. I went to the wrong thing. Hold on. You're going to go to down here. Where's that game console? Okay, y'all, and there we go. Like all kind of stuff. You just play around with it. I'm taking it. This is controller 1. You got like Atari, all kind of stuff. So we'll see what it is. Let's go in, y'all, and see what it is. Pac-Man. Let's see what Pac-Man got to offer. System setting, sound setting. I don't know where I went into. Let's talk Super Nintendo. Let's try to play and start this. Hold on, y'all. I gotta see how to play it on the controller. But y'all see it. I'm gonna start playing and I'll come back with you guys. Okay. Guys, I got to work. All kind of games on here, so make sure you play these guys. Play. At first, I couldn't get it to start, so if you're having problems with it acting crazy, the games, turn it on and turn it back off again. Look, y'all playing Centipede. Comment below who remembers Centipede. Look, guys, I got Pac-Man. Quick tip, y'all, if it say insert coins, just press this select button and that give you more coins. So you see how the credit's going up? So again, just press the select button and then it'll give you more coins and then you can be able to play any of the games, okay, that needs coins.